Hi friends and good morning. Myself Sandeep Gautam and this is my first video. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction or we can say that a brief knowledge about applications of probability and statistics in artificial intelligence. So here I go. The application of probability and statistics in artificial intelligence. Probability. The probability of a desired event E is the ratio of trials that result in E to the number of trials performed, or an event is a set of outcomes of an experiment to which probability is assigned. The event can be anything like tossing a coin, rolling a dice, or pulling a colored ball from a box. Or, in simple words, I can say that the number of ways the particular event can be divided by the total number of possible outcomes is known as probability. Here, probability of an event where E is represented by capital E and is the probability must lie between 0 to 1. The random variable. A random variable is a variable that take on different values randomly. All variables and events are expressed in terms of random variable. Random variables are divided in two types. First is discrete random variable and second is continuous random variable. I'm not going to explain both the top type because this is a brief introduction. Thus, conditional probability. It is defined as some event given that some other event has happened. This is the formula which we use in conditional probability. This is chain rule. Chain rule joint probability distribution. Two or more random variables may be decomposed into conditional distribution, or we can say that probability of event A and B denoted by P A and B or P A B. Bayes rule. This rule is very powerful mathematical formula which which is named after a British mathematician. In this In this formula, we're determining the conditional probability. Conditional probability is the likelihood of an outcome occurring based on the previous outcome occurring. This is the formula which we use while using the Bayes rule. Role of probability in artificial intelligence. Let's start by giving a small introduction for the probability and information theory in artificial intelligence. Both subjects are uncertainty. Probability theory allows us to make uncertain statement and reason in the presence of uncertainty, where, whereas information theory measures the disorder in probability distribution. In simple words, it's a data source and previous and provides various kind of data to use AI application so that they can draw samples from distribution like using normal, Poisson, Bernoulli, binomial and many more. We can generate distribution by using functions and probability concepts. We can build our own distribution and later draw sample for training and testing data sets. This block diagram explains the probability theory concepts which are applicable to major areas in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing, or we can call it as NLP. Probability is the heart of AI. This block diagram explains the probability theory concepts which are applicable to major areas in artificial intelligence. This diagram shows where probability theory can be applied area like artificial AI areas learning areas, NPL be the part of AI or NLM, LL, NLP, but are listed are out but are listed separately out due to widely use and necessity for understanding. The list contains hidden Markov rules, Markov decision process, and many more. Diagram listed out a network based probabilistic programs for making reasoning over the time for decisions. A model listed out with respect to its area, like learning based for machine learning. Now, statistics. Statistics is a branch of applied mathematics that involves the collection, description, analysis, and inference of conclusions from the quantitative data. Or, in other words, the science of collecting, analyzing, presenting, and interpreting data is known as statistics. Application of statistics in AI. Machine learning and data mining are the applications of statistics in AI. The application of statistics and machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. In this field, in the field of computer science, that often uses statistical techniques. Machine learning and statistics are closely related fields. The idea of machine learning from methodology and principle of artificial tools have had a long prehistory statistics. In statistics, the term data science as placeholder to call the overall field of machine learning. Application of statistics in the data mining. Both data mining and statistics are related, as both are about both are all about discovering and identifying structures in data with the aim of turning data to information. Although the aim of both techniques are overlapped, they have different approaches. So, at last, this is by this I want to conclude. Thank you.